guys, Sandy fam in the house. So today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the Canon PowerShot G7x Mark II. This is a camera that I'm so thankful to have. I will say, if it was not for my patrons on Patreon, I would not have been able to afford this camera. I also got the 128 gig Ultra memory card to go with it. SD card, whatever, you know what I mean. But anyway, thank you so much to my patrons. I am so grateful for your support, because without you guys, obviously I couldn't have better quality videos and audio and everything else. So I'm really grateful. Moving forward, I'm going to go ahead and start the unboxing of this camera that I am so excited to open, you guys. Okay, one sec. All right, you guys, so this is the unboxing of the Canon PowerShot G7x Mark II. Let me not try to break the box. Okay, so you're gonna open it. First thing you got is your warranty and your getting started guide. It tells you to register your product. Let's just get right into it. So, all right, we got a battery. We have a battery charger, which I'm actually really excited. I'm not sure. Actually, no, probably will not fit. I was gonna say it looks very similar to another Canon charger that I have, except I think my other battery is a bit wider, so don't think it'll be able to share, but that would have been cool. All right, let's put the trash in here. We have some safety instructions. If the shape of the plug does not fit the power outlet, use an attachment plug adapter of the proper configuration for the power outlet. There's a little warning here. Some safety instructions. Then we have the wrist thingy, the wrist strap for the camera. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using that. We'll see. All right, are you guys ready? I apologize in advance as I have the hiccups. So, first impression, this is definitely much heavier than I expected, but that is okay, because it's kind of like a DSLR packed in a tiny camera. It is very weighty. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Oh, I'm gonna love this. Look at that, you guys. Nice. Very heavy camera, I must say. All right, so I doubt it comes with a charge, but for fun, let's just put it in there. Maybe it's like an iPhone where it has a little bit of juice at the beginning. Bam. And it has an open/lock feature. Let's get you guys a close up real quick. So, let's turn her on, this little button right here. Nice. Uh-oh. Ouch. All right, so first things first, we're going to go ahead and set up the date and time. So today I'm recording this. It probably will not be the same day that I post. I apologize. But today is May. Oops. Wait, how do you go back? I made a mistake. Menu is previous. Okay. Set is next. Where's set? Set? Nope, that's wrong. No! Oh, Jesus. I don't know what I did. All right, well, whatever. So now I'm just going to show it to you as it is. Oh, look, it's me. Hi. Sorry. Anywho, let's try to get back into that. So set. Okay, no. Some settings. I'm just really trying to figure out how to get in here and set the date, because Mama had a little trouble at first. I mean, oh, date and time. Haha, set. There we go. Today is May 16th. Oh, and the year is 2021. The time is currently, Alexa, what time is it? 1:53 p.m. So let's do 1:54 by the time I get set up. Okay, in my country, we do month. Shit, oh my God, it's touchscreen. Shut the front door. This is like killing my control here. It's a touchscreen. Game changer. All right, but now I'm gonna get back into there. Alexa, what time is it? 1:53. So 1, and I said I was gonna put 54. Month, day, year. Daylight savings time on or off. So I'm going to hit okay. Oh my God, okay, sorry. I'm so excited right now because I had no idea it was a touchscreen. Holy smokes. Okay, so I do not have my memory card in here yet. Obviously, if it took me this long to figure out how to set the time, it's going to take me a few minutes to figure out how to format this SD card that I have. So just a quick overview of the camera before I go ahead and pop open that SD card. Here is the top. Sorry, I'm having a little bit of a hard time getting it to focus. I'll include some pictures too, just in case. That's your flash right here on the side, Wi-Fi, and on this side is your HDMI. Right. I'm going to go ahead and, sorry, I'm going to go ahead and format the SD card. All right, thank you for your patience, guys. So I am opening up my Ultra SDXC card. Again, it's a 128 gig, and it sounds like a lot, but when you're recording in such high quality, you really need a higher card. And especially if you don't feel like constantly having to dump out footage onto your computer or an external device. I mean, I bought a 1 terabyte MacBook Pro, and within a month, I filled up the hard drive. I record a lot of videos, what can I say? So here's your little memory card, and now you're going to insert it in the same slot as that battery. And I may or may not do this correctly, since it doesn't want to come out. Yeah, I put it in there backwards. That doesn't want to go the other way. Hold on, honey. Mama's coming. Alright, maybe that was the right way? Oh, this is really weird. Now let's try again. There we go. That sounded so much better. All right, New York. Oh no, go back. Whatever. It has me in London. It's all good. So my camera is actually going to die, but it says no memory card. So I don't know what's actually happening. right now. I have to play with it a little bit, and then I will definitely be back to update you guys on what I did wrong, or maybe it's just the fact that it's dying. So I'm gonna charge the battery as well. Be back. So basically, I just had to format the card. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put the camera in manual mode. You're gonna touch the menu button, click on the wrench, and click on number 1, and then you can format it. All in all, I love this camera, and I definitely recommend it so far. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Bye, friends.